So I know you're trying to figure out how to maintain that natural silk press. By the end of this video, I will give you 5 easy steps so that you can maintain that silk press for at least 8 weeks. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Risha if you are new here, and in this video I am helping you maintain that silk press for at least 2 months. Yes, I got my hair done January 28th and it is now March the 30th, and it is definitely time to wash this out. So the first thing you want to make sure you do, and this is the most important step, is to wrap your hair every single night with a satin or silk scarf using a paddle brush. Next, you want to make sure you stay away from the rain, any sweat, or steam. Keep a jacket with a hood on you, maybe keep an umbrella close, or you can even keep an extra scarf in your car. If you're going to be exercising, make sure you pull that hair up into a loose ponytail or bun and keep the hair off of your neck. In the shower, make sure you keep that steam to a minimum, because that will completely revert your hair back to its normal state. Also, do not add any extra heat or products to your hair, because that will only weigh it down and you will lose that bounce and silkiness. Then you want to make sure you do not manipulate your hair too much. I usually just wear my hair straight, or I put it in a loose ponytail. I know 8 weeks is a really long time without washing or adding any moisture, but stay tuned to my next video where I go from straight to moisturized curls. If you have any other questions, reach out to me in the comments right below the subscribe button. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!